How to find your player ID in Zooba. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you're playing Zooba and we need to find your player ID, then your player ID can be useful when adding friends or contacting Zooba support. So first of all, open the Zooba application on your device and wait for the game to load. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the profile button from the top center and you'll see your profile displayed on the screen. If you want to find your user ID, then it will be displayed right underneath your username with a long string of numbers and letters. So that is your user ID. You can take a screenshot of your page and this way you will be able to keep your user ID saved. You might need your user ID later while contacting support for help. So that's how you successfully find your player ID in Zooba. So that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.